Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this new unit. This unit comes from Zury Sister Wig. Super excited to try it out. I'm already feeling it. If you guys are interested in seeing me install and what I think of this unit, then continue to watch. Before I jump into that though, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below as well so you'll be notified each time I upload. Also, if you feel like it, make sure you follow me on my other social media platforms. Instagram and TikTok will be listed right here below. You can also follow me on Snapchat and Twitter, all in the description box below. I want to say thank you to Ebonyline for sending me this unit today to review for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump on into it. The unit that I have that I'm reviewing for you today is the SW-FP Lace H Louis. Is that how you pronounce it? Not quite sure. It's L-U-I. I have it in the color 2. So this has a wide 13x4 free lace parting, and it also comes with a pre-tweezed hairline, you guys. I am not going to pluck this unit whatsoever. I just want to let you guys know. So what you saw earlier, or what you're going to see, is a unit that is not being plucked. I wanted to see what it comes like, just natural. It's natural state. I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys know I am in love, okay? So the unit comes with the middle part. However, you can part it however you would like. I'm going to go with the middle part today. Go ahead and put the wig on. I can tell that it is definitely big head friendly. I didn't do the adjustable straps, and I feel like the next time I wear this unit, I will definitely be doing the adjustable straps. It has a lot of space. So on the model, it comes with her having it on the right side, but like I said, I'm going to do mine with the middle part. This unit is giving me really Kishana vibes. It's giving me, I don't know if you guys have tried it, but if you haven't, look up Bobbi Boss Kishana Swiss Lace front wig. That wig really reminds me of this unit. They are very similar in texture and in style and in length, and I absolutely am obsessed with the Kishana unit. So that's how I feel like I'm about to feel like with this one. This one is like very much a everyday wig. Like, you could wear this unit out, or you could wear it like to the office. You could like be professional, or you could be a little bit ratchet with it. I freaking love this wig. It's styled perfectly. I am obsessed with these really big voluptuous bangs right here in the front. And I really like the fact that when I put this wig on, y'all, I didn't have to do a lot of work to it. Granted, I did do the baby hairs because I just wanted to see if I could be a little extra with it, but you can definitely wear this hair without doing the baby hairs. Like, the hairline looked really good, and I feel like it blended in really well. I went in with my spray and my blow dryer just to melt the lace in a little bit more, and that heat and that spray just made it melt into my forehead, so it was looking very much natural. But I was like, okay, I want to add a little bit of baby hairs to this, and it came out looking exactly how I thought it would. Now, my parting space, unfortunately, she's going to be looking a little cocked, like I said, like I let you guys know before. I don't know why my freaking middle part just, yeah, it just doesn't like to sit in the middle of my head. But nonetheless, she still looks good, okay? Even though she's still a little crooked, she still look good. You could definitely pluck this hairline a lot more if you want to. But they do offer other color options if you're not feeling the 2. You can also try their mauve, their blonde, their red, their orange, their pink, tangerine. Yes, they give you all the options. If you are not feeling a natural vibe, you can go with a little more exotic color. I have nothing bad to say though about this unit. Like, I'm really trying to see if I had like a bad encounter with this, but I didn't. I used my hot comb just a little bit. Like, it actually was on the number 5, which is like the lowest temp. I didn't even really have to do that because the roots weren't even that thick. I just wanted to go over it just a tad bit. So y'all, the $50 is so worth it on this unit. Kind of close to the Yaki, just a little bit close. It's not 100% there, but it definitely isn't like super duper silky, you know, like baby doll hair or anything like that. It has a really good texture too. Zury, y'all did your thing. The layers in this unit though, amazing. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view as well. Installation, quality, price, the key features you get in it, it's all worth that $50. Now, how long do I think this unit might last? If you wear this every day and you comb her out, you know, you take it off and you comb her out, she might last you a month. I don't know if it'll last longer than a month, but it could be. It could, depending on how well you take care of it. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out the description box below because I will have the direct link to it. So I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If I didn't answer a question of yours, just make sure you leave it in my comment section below and I will answer it for you. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.